It's the 19th of December. It's getting close, kids. Christmas is getting close. Oh, what package are we gonna open today?
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking this one. Ah, the 19th, we're opening this. Oh, this is gonna be a fun month. Woohoo! It's the 19th of December, 2017. We're opening presents. Oh, I love Christmas. Uh-oh. This one's either broken. There's not really a rattle, but it's like, yeah, a billion little pieces. Oh, no. Maybe it got broken in the sleigh coming over. What do you think? I have no idea anymore. I have no idea what I'm going to be opening or getting. Oh, let's see what we got here. 19th of December, 2017. Ah! Woo! Oh, look at this. Micro Machines. Oh, so cool. My friend The Face at work, he brought in some Micro Machines to show me before his son Cal got a hold of them. Oh, Cal's gonna have a good time with them. Look at these Micro Machines. There's a billion of them. Oh, look at that. That is like some catty ratty. Come on. Focus on the good stuff here. There we go. It's keeping focusing on the old cars. But these are new. It's like a Edsel Cadillac combo something or other. Oh yeah, that looks like a 59 Caddy kind of customized with 57 fins on it. Oh, I'm gonna need extra magnifying glasses for these things. I see made in China. Oh boy. What do you see? It's there. Who cares? These are cool. We got, oh, this one's like a Hot Wheels. Right? Look at the windshield wipers molded into the windshield. Ferrari. Right? Hot Wheels, yeah. 1988 or 86? 88? And that goes on that little track up here with this other Hot Wheel. Oh, so cool. Oh, look! Another one! Oh, I love, and both headlights. This is a Hot Wheel too, just like the one we got up on our track there. 1988. Oh boy. These are amazing. Oh, look at this Micro Machine wrecker. Man, that is sweet. These would come off and get lost. Oh, here's some. A lot of writing on the bottom of this one. Made in China. 1989. Oh. Laser, right? Oh. I'm telling you, the coolest thing about Micro Machines is you can store a lot of them in a little place. Oh, here's a military Jeep. Oh, what's on that wheel? Come on. Oh, it's like a sticker. Oh, it's blowout. That is just like flashing from the mold. Look at that. That is wild. You can simulate a blowout on that thing, like it popped a tire. USA, nice. Nice oh, what is this? It's like a grinding stone out of an old mill. Oh, got a spring tension. One of those guys that goes sailing everywhere. Oh, look at this big pickup truck. Nice. Some of these had monster wheels on it. Oh, look at this one. I love it. 6 wheels and totally cool and rocking. I think Santa stole this out of my stash. I've never seen one of those things before. Oh boy. Another pickup truck. DPW. Sucked. Oh, look at these cool little micro machines. Now you guys have played with this on your late 30s, early 40s. There's a date on there and I couldn't read it if you gave me a nickel. That's okay, I know you can read it. 2013 maybe? Whew, made in China. Oh, look at this. A donkey donk 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 donk. Or as Big Mama says, a conk. Oh. Again, the details and tiny little writing on there. Coney, I know that is something special. Look at those wheels and tires. That is amazing. Put that in the back. Oh, here's a 57 Chevy. Getting onto the sides of pretty big tires there. Almost a monster truck. Pink for Trixie. Kinda nice. Oh, look at all these micro machines. These are so cool to me. Tiny is cool. Look at the big pipes coming out there. That is huge pipes. Ah, these are so much fun. What do we got on the bottom there? Something that no one can read except 1988. I can read it! I can read it! Oh, here's a cop car. Number 18. Patrol. It's a pretty sweet vehicle. Blue lights on top. Red tail lights. Oh, look at these. Again, so tiny and so cool. Oh, and there's so many of them. I love it. I love it. Man, Santa went overboard today. Looks like a Mercedes or Fiat. I don't know. You guys know better than me. I just love collecting these cars and showing them to you. There's a 89. Nice. Oh, talk about a choking hazard. All these kids under 5 can't play with these. Oh, is that 2 different wheels on that? Look at that. Come on, focus on there. Come on. Come on. Got 1 wheel style in the front, different in the back. That's kind of wild. Wonder why they did that. Oh, but oh, here's a big ride, 1989. Fun Rise, made in China. Now you can see it's a slightly different size than the micro machine, so you know it's kind of a rip-off. That's okay. Sometimes you copy the best, but never really outshines the best in the first. Boy, that thing's got monster tires and wings and all sorts of things. Oh, kind of digging that one. Oh, here's some mumbo jumbo little writing. Made in China, 1987. Road Champs. Oh, so you've got all sorts of people putting their car in the game in this. Oh, I'm telling you, spend some time and look at the details of these cars you got. It is fascinating as all get out. 1989. Very nice, very nice. Oh, a Porsche. Look at this. You even got the emblem on the front. Just simulated so you know what it is. But these micro machines and mini rods are so cool. Looks like 1987. But there's different manufacturers playing in this game. Oh, look at this. 944 Porsche. Kind of nice profile on that. Red, only cool color for it. In my opinion, but what's my opinion? It's just one in a gabillion. What do we got here? Anything? 1989 it looks like. Oh boy. Here's another Porsche Convertible. Look at that. It was cool when they made cars that totally stylized. Oh look, the sun finally came up and is shining on my fingers. Oh, look at how this bottom is. Slightly different than the others. Big rivet in the middle. Oh, I can't read that right now. That is super tiny. But I'm sure you can. Oh, congratulations, you guys with good eyes. Oh, I'm gonna try and reset this. I'll be right back. Oh, day 19 is cool. Oh, look at this tractor. This is heavy metal. John Deere. Oh, boy. Oh, look at that big ring. It might have been like a keychain or something. Someone ripped it off. Made in China. I'm looking for an Erdl sticker on there, a name. But this is a heavy, all-metal piece. That is really nice. Oh, look at this. XR7. What is it? Speedster? Spider? What is on that windshield? I can't tell. But it's like a sticker on the windshield. That whole windshield is a sticker. Whatever it takes, man. Whatever it takes. There's some little writing on there. I don't know if it's right side up or upside down. There it is. 1987. Looks like. Looks like the 80s was a good year for these. Oh, boy. I don't know where Santa got all these all in one shot, but man, these are pretty rampage. Oh, that is nice. Look how many there are, too. They're just like a whole collection in one little piece. One little present, you got a billion cars. Beeline. Oh, it's like a bumblebee. Isn't that funny? Look at that trailer hitch. Holy smokes, they're pulling the Titanic on that thing. Oh, good. Here's something we can read. I think. Micro Machines, 1989. Look at the little screws in there. Go blind putting those things in. Oh, look at this old MG. Kind of sweet. I like this one. Look at that big spare tire on there. They're sparing no expense. Ah, that is good. That is good. 1989, right? 99. Oh, you read it for yourself, kiddos. These are cool. Oh, Oh, look at this truck. That is nice. Come on, focus on here. Always wants to focus on the background because those are so cool cars. And I'm like, here's a cool car right in your face. Look at what's in front of you guys. Oh, see the blessings right in front of you. Look at this. Now, here's a big ball on the bottom. Oh, I don't even know what that says. It's not made in China, but China's there. But look at that big ball. It sticks way down. Oh, it makes it roll so much faster than bother. Oh, look at, there's still more to go. Wow, look at this. 280Z looks like. Nice. I'm telling you, these little micro machines are totally cool. Oh, there it is. Oh! That went way under the table. I'm gonna have to get the broom handle to get it out. I'll be right back. Oh, I found it. It took me a while, but here it is. Let's see if we can get a focus on this one. Oh, it's on this side. That's what got me to drop it in the first place. I can't tell anymore. Oh, boy. Nope, the guy. Oh, boy. Come on, what do you got going here? You see it? I know you do. I don't. Oh, look at it, though. Oh, look at this thing. It's like a cab with flames on it. I'm telling you, it's a no-name. Someone else playing into the game here. Oh, boy. Oh, look at this one. It's got your whole family in there. Mommy and Daddy and little Junior and Sis. That's Johnny, Big Mama, Trixie, and Soda Pop all driving in their 57 Chevy. How cool is that? Oh, any writing on the bottom? There's some. Maybe. Nah. Oh, I like the little people in there. Can you get a focus on it? Looks like Mom's driving. Oh, look at this. Man, Trans Am. Totally cool. Look at the graphics on there. That's a little bit different and wild. T-tops on there. Almost got a Camaro front end on there. Oh, who knows? Oh, look at Santa. Santa was playing with the cars again. Look at that big string of fuzz or whatever. How do you get to wrap that around? Oh my gosh. Santa, look at the presents before you give them out, man. Get all the big hairs out of it and stuff. Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh, look at this old vintage hot rod. Nice. San Francisco Police Department. Nice. Very cool. Simple bottom on these, but they still are putting in some details, which is nice. Leaf springs and struts and all sorts of stuff. I can't read that. 89 it looks like. Oh, another Blazer. Here's the Chief. Nice. I'm telling you, these micro machines are cool. And man, let me tell you, they get lost everywhere. Here's a exotic donk in pink. Oh boy, look at that wheel tire combo. Man, oh man. These are amazing. Remember these as a kid? These were a little past my time. But man, I found out about these later in life. And I'm telling you, I'm digging them. When I see them, look at those wheels. When I see them, I try and pick them up because, man, you can collect. Look how many you can store in a little space right in front of the supper club. Oh, they're just tiny and cool. I'm telling you, some of these micro machines, they actually opened up and had a smaller micro machine in them. I was lucky to find some real tiny cars once at a sale. Going, what the heck are these? Had no idea, had to research them and found out. Someone, micro machine specialist, told me about it. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. And I got a lot of these. These are gonna add to my collection. But let me tell you, I had like 4 that opened up. And I'm like, how cool is that? Oh, look at the graphics on these. Fiero GT. Oh, nice. These are some great memories for kids. Oh, I love the two-tones 50 cars, mid-50s. Oh, El Camino or Ford Ranchero. Looks like a Ford Ranchero to me. You got it, man? Oh. Oh, look at this truck. Semi. And I'm sure something went on there. These wheels and tires. Just so cool. Oh, we only got a couple more of these. Oh, this is like one we had before. Yeah, it's that off-brand. Funrise, 1989. Little bigger in size. It's this white one right here. And they are from the same manufacturer, Fun Size. But man, they're totally ripping off. I wonder who the very first people were. Probably Hot Wheels, Mattel. They always rock the world with new innovations. This is Corvette, right? Look at that tail end. That looks Corvette to me. Oh, they're so tiny. You got big, fat, fumbly fingers, and you better just have nothing that they can fall down or vent or a crack in your table or nothing, because you'll never get these out there so tiny. Oh, look at this one. It looks beat to all get out, and someone painted it. I love it when you design your own cars and paint them yourself. That is so funny to find those things. Oh, look at this one. I'm bumping and jumping this camera all around. These are so tiny. We go from tiny whiny to big and meaty. Oh, just because you're tiny, you don't need to whine. So stop whining, kids. Ain't cool to whine. Oh boy, I'm telling you, these are some wild God. That one that was painted is so funny. Look at this one. Tiny, and look, this door opens. Is that wild? I love it when the car door opens. And on these little tiny ones, even better yet, does that hood open? I can't tell. It's cut deep, but I don't know if it opens. Oh, it does! It does! Is that cool or what? Sometimes you just overlook some of the features they build in, and if they don't tell you they're building them in, you gotta explore these cars real close to. Oh, look at that stick shift in there. Different color. Come on, look how fat my fingers are, and look at that stick shift. Someone putting that in there. Oh, red on red. Here it is. Red and yellow plastic is like impossible for me to read on camera on screen. Oh, what is this? Come on. 1989. GLOGE or OOE. Made in China. MD China. The medical doctor China. Oh, here's another Porsche. When you get micro machines, do you just get the pack? You get a pack about 5 and it's all the same type. So whatever your style is, that's what you get. Oh, but when you get them as a present, you never know. Oh, look at this monster Corvette. Early 60s. That is, come on, camera. I know you need some eggnog, but oh, look, some green paint. It went through some green paint. Oh, your Christmas paint, painting up your sceneries for your school plays and your church plays. That is nice. Oh, look at this psychedelic one. I like it. Black and white and then colors all over. Big, huge round tail lights on that. Almost looks like a caddy. Kind of caddy-like grill on there. With the double headlights. Made in China. '87. Wow. Micro machines and the rip-offs of them. So cool. Maybe there was someone out first, but Micro Machines had the advertising budgets to blast our world with words. And so everything is a Micro Machine this size, but there's a lot of different manufacturers that are doing this stuff. '89. Fun Rides, that's another one like this one. Oh, so got those 3 together. Here's my last one. Oh, I can't even I Rock Z. Nice T-tops on there. Oh man, I'm telling you, in your 40s, early 40s, late 30s, this was your car of the time. '89 maybe? Oh, I'm hoping the big screen will show that nice. Oh, look at all these cars in here. That is amazing. It is day 19, and look what we got. This is cool. Can you count all those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh man, there's about 100 cars there. Just so simple and so clean. Oh, all came into the Supper Club on December 19th. So cool, I don't even know where we're gonna store those for the rest of these videos. There's so many. Oh, day 19. Which is your favorite? What do you think? Oh, there's so many cool ones. I like that 3-wheeler or 6-wheeler in the back monster truck. That is a ride. Day 19, we got all those micro machines and other little guys all packed in. All for day 19 at the Supper Club. Oh, I can't wait to see what is next to open. Oh, day 20 coming up. Oh, day 20 is tomorrow. Oh, I can't believe it. It's almost Christmas. Are you guys excited? Oh, I am. I know you're a toy car case guy out there.
It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that?
This is the place to be!